We were given a first look beyond the construction walls at Phoenix Rising, a brand new family coaster coming to Busch Gardens Tampa Bay this year. As we go a little bit higher, there's some facts you need to know about Phoenix Rising at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. It's going to go 44 miles an hour. You have to be 42 inches tall to be able to ride it. It's going to have onboard audio with 4 different tracks and 4 different lighting sequences. The total coaster is going to be about 80 feet tall, and I'm going to be honest, it looks super fun. This coaster is way bigger than it looked on the concept art, and as we rise higher and higher and higher to our eventual falling doom, we'll get one last look at it over its beautiful blue track. After a joyride through the park, not something you get to do every day, we were greeted with entertainment and a bright sunny morning shining down on the completed track of Phoenix Rising. This coaster is opening this year and will offer a new family-friendly option to the park. The height requirement is 42 inches, which Busch Gardens claims is the average for 6-year-olds, allowing a lot more family members to ride along at the park. This attraction is 80 feet tall, will hit speeds of 44 miles an hour, and will feature 4 different Phoenix storylines, each using distinct audio, visual, and lighting effects.
The best part about the entire attraction is the height requirement. So we talk all the time about creating a park that's great for the entire family, and we knew that in our portfolio of some of the best coasters in the entire world, we knew that we were still lacking that sort of entry level, right? That first time to ride that big kid coaster.
You know, the new Phoenix is born and rises from the ashes of the old one. And so this new attraction coming up from the ashes of the former Phoenix ride was kind of something fun to lean into.
This ride, alongside the obvious fun, will offer re-rideability as you seek to experience each Phoenix option. We were excited to see that the coaster was bigger than expected. Not scary tall, but a lengthy track that isn't just another family ride. Dips, dives, turns, and twists will all be enjoyed on this suspended coaster. And it will be the first ever coaster at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay to feature onboard audio. Take a listen. Got a good view there, camera? Good luck. You're about to in a second. Every time it does this, I realize this is a terrible idea. Phoenix Rising.
Yeah.
Really fun family coaster. 80 feet tall. You gotta be 42 inches tall to ride on it. It's right over there. It looks very cool. And now we're falling. Woo! So, if you want to get a great view of it before it opens here at Busch Gardens, take over here to Falcon's Fury and check it out.